2024 Chevrolet Traverse debuts with new look, rugged Z71 off-road trim. Prepare to be amazed by the breathtaking 2024 Chevrolet Traverse, making its grand debut today. This three-row SUV is set to hit the market in early 2024, flaunting a fresh and captivating new look inside and out, along with an exciting addition, the rugged Z71 trim. Designed to take on any off-road adventure with confidence, the Traverse Z71 exudes confidence with its wider track and over an inch of increased ground clearance, complemented by all-terrain tires wrapped around unique 18-inch wheels, and a trim-exclusive twin-clutch all-wheel drive system. This SUV is a force to be reckoned with. Its unique fascia and eye-catching red tow hooks add a touch of boldness and practicality, perfect for those daring off-road explorations. But don't let its rugged exterior fool you. The Traverse Z71 has a soft side too. Equipped with unique dampers and hydraulic rebound control, this SUV ensures a smooth and comfortable ride, even in the toughest terrains. Its driver-selectable drive modes, including the terrain mode with available hill descent control, add an extra layer of versatility and adaptability to every journey. Meanwhile, the Traverse RS makes a triumphant return, turning heads with its unique badging and striking new high-gloss black 22-inch aluminum wheels, paired with black accents adorning the grille, roof rails, and moldings. The Traverse RS oozes sophistication and allure. Even approaching owners are treated to a mesmerizing walk-up lighting animation, setting the stage for an unforgettable driving experience. Inside, the Traverse RS boasts a flat-bottom, three-spoke steering wheel, complementing the elegantly finished cabin in jet black with vibrant red accents under the hood. Power and performance await, as the 2024 Traverse lineup is powered by a turbocharged 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, estimated to deliver an impressive 315 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque, replacing the current model's 3.6-liter V6. This new powerhouse promises a thrilling and dynamic driving experience, mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. The front-wheel drive Traverse delivers seamless and responsive performance. For those seeking even greater capability, the Traverse Z71 is equipped with an exclusive twin-clutch all-wheel drive system, providing unparalleled traction and control. With a 5,000-pound max towing capacity, this SUV is ready to accompany you on all your adventures. To top it off, to new exterior colors, Lakeshore Blue and Harvest Bronze, add a touch of flair and personalization to the lineup. Inside, the Traverse ensures comfort and versatility for all occupants. The entry-level LS offers 8 seats, thanks to the second and third row bench seats. The LT, Z71, and RS trims come with 7-passenger seating, complete with convenient second-row captain's chairs. Enhancing comfort and ease of access, cargo space is no concern in the Traverse RS, where one-touch folding second-row and power-folding third-row seats make room for an incredible 97.6 cubic feet of cargo space. The available AutoSense liftgate adds a touch of convenience, making accessing this vast space a breeze. When it comes to technology, the Traverse goes above and beyond. A striking 17.7-inch infotainment screen takes center stage on the dashboard, exceeding 75% larger than the largest available screen in the 2023 model. 6 USB ports, wireless charging, and Wi-Fi hotspot capability ensure you stay connected and entertained on the go. The driver is treated to a larger 11.0-liter digital instrument display, providing crucial information at a glance. Chevrolet hasn't overlooked comfort and convenience, featuring a pass-through center console and a thoughtfully placed electronic transmission shifter. Mounted on the column, heated front and second-row outboard seats, a heated steering wheel, and heated outside mirrors add a touch of luxury and comfort to every drive. And for those seeking the epitome of advanced driving technology, the Traverse offers Super Cruise, providing an extraordinary hands-free driving experience. The LS and LT trims will be available with the enticing Midnight and Sport Edition upgrades, adding a touch of style and individuality to your Traverse. In terms of safety, the 2024 Traverse is well equipped with standard safety and driver assistance technologies, including Chevy Safety Assist, automatic emergency braking, forward collision alert, lane keep assist with lane departure warning, high beam assist, and front pedestrian and bicyclist braking all come standard, ensuring you and your passengers are well protected on every journey. Chevy has kept us eagerly awaiting pricing information. But with the 2023 Traverse LS FWD starting at $35,915, including the $1,395 destination charge, we can expect an exceptional value for this extraordinary SUV. The Traverse RS starts at $46,440, offering a remarkable blend of performance, style, and luxury. So get ready to embark on an adventure of a lifetime with the all-new 2024 Chevrolet Traverse. With its rugged charm, impressive performance, and unparalleled comfort, this SUV is the epitome of automotive excellence. The Traverse is set to arrive on the market in early 2024. So mark your calendars and get ready to embrace the journey of a lifetime.